Hey friends, if you wish to install and use the Cisco Webex app on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. First of all, search for Store in the Windows search bar and then go to Microsoft Store. Search for Webex. Okay. Now go to the Webex app, but before downloading it, verify that this is the option by Cisco Systems. Once this is done, click on install and you can start installing the Webex app. This is how you can install this application on your system. It is not a very huge application, just 244 MB in size, and then you can install it. And once it is done, you can open it and start using it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.